Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Lanawati Mandoji. Today I'll present about company background, lifting method, and also type of trailer. So, company background we established in 2015, which is in domestic logistics and transport company based in Malaysia. We offer reliable and efficient freight solution. Global reach, operate an extensive network connecting countries worldwide, recognized as a leading provider of cutting-edge supply chain solution. Dedicated team specialize in tailor logistics solution to meet client specific need, support global source and end-to-end international logistics. Leadership in Malaysia, leaders in transportation, warehousing and distribution. We offer unparalleled 3PL and 4PL service. Strategic advantage, which will be extensive network for foreign agents, superior domestic land service in all Malaysia state, major in milestone, which is we achieve recognition as Malaysia leading road transport provider by 2021. Our vision is transform into a holistic logistics solution powerhouse, build strategic partnership and analyze industry trends, revolution, transportation and logistics for limitless client possibilities, ensure high quality result in third-party logistics. Our mission is we expand global by establish strategic distribution location, implement advanced supply chain logistic technique, become the go-to resource for e-commerce business, continue improve support system for the logistics sector. For method for handling oversized cargo, we use Lolo method, which is lift on or lift off. Advantage of the method is direct lifting, which is eliminates the need for rolling machinery or walkway. Versatility accommodates various cargo size and from the suitable lifting equipment. Minimize damage risk, which will prevent unintentional damage caused by dragging or rolling. Port compatibility, which is less dependent on port infrastructure and physical layout. Operational requirement. Equipment is port needs gantry or mobile crane capable of lifting 628 tons or more. Heavy duty sling, which is heavy duty sling, spreader bars, and proper market lifting point and essential. Skilled workforce requires highly skilled crane operators and support crew to maintain balance and avoid sway. Planning, careful pre-lift planning for selecting lifting points and securing equipment. Challenge of the Lolo method is time-intensive process, which is exact planning and coordination required for lifting and securing. Infrastructure limitation, which is availability of crane with adequate lifting capacity varies by port. Safety risk, which is improper handling or equipment failure can cause significant vessel damage or injuries. Complex unloading, which is require precise reversal of the lifting process. For the type of trailer, which we use hydraulic modular trailer, which is HMTS. So, what is hydraulic modular trailer? This trailer specialized with connect modular axles designed for transporting oversized and heavy freight. For example, LPG power vehicle. Application in Malaysia widely used in oil and gas construction and infrastructure industry are therefore tough transport route due to adaptability and terrain handling. Benefit of using HMTS is extraordinary load capacity, which is capable of transport heavy unit like the 628-ton LPG vehicle. Then hydraulic suspension, which is smooth transportation over uneven terrain. Modular design, which is customized to accommodate various cargo size and weight. Maneuverability, which is effective in navigation, tight curve, and confined space. Challenge of using hydraulic modular is we need skilled workforce requirement. Operation require competent staff for configuration and maneuvering increased cost. High maintenance cost, which is complex system demand regular and costly upkeep. Time-consuming setup. Initial setup for transportation. Large freight can be long. Permit and coordination issue, which is transportation of oversized cargo requires special permit. Coordination with local authorities posing logistic challenge. So I'll pass to Daniel for the next presentation. Bye.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. Thank you for the first presenter. So now I will talk about the lashing and storage plan. First, let's talk about the lashing and storage plan to secure the 628-ton LPG vessel. So we will use high tensile change lashings and ratchet binders along with anti-slip mats and padded contact points to make sure everything is safe and stable. So there will be 20 to 22 lashing points plus strategy, especially at the base when the stress is highest. So to follow the proper standards, we are complying with the IMO code of safe practice for cargo storage and securing. So before the operations, we also check the barge deck and unloading areas to ensure they're in good conditions, and we've carried out risk assessment for extra safety. So the second slide is about the route planning. So next, the transportation route. The distance is 5.1 km from MOL Tanjung Setapa to Pui IPC Pengerang with a travel time about 9 to 11 minutes using the Ridge Road. So the roads along the route need to be reinforced and at least 6 to 8 meters wide. To ensure smooth movement, we've done surveys to identify and fix any road limitations and obtain all required permits for safety. All required permits. So for safety, escort vehicles will be used to manage traffic, and the convoy will be stay connected using radios. So we've also planned the rest stops and prepare for any unexpected issues along the way. Okay. So the third slide is site visit. Lastly, the site visit. From the pictures, you can see that the areas, including Gate 2 and the surrounding facilities, are ready for the operations. So the roads and unloading area are in a good condition, and everything is set up to handle the transfer smoothly. So the visit has confirmed that we are well prepared for the task ahead. So thank you. I will pass up to the third presenter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Iksa Hasati and I will talk about the key risk and mitigation measure. Let's talk about the risks we face in this project and how we plan to manage them. First, during the lifting process, one major risk is overloading the cranes. To prevent this, we'll calculate the load accurately and ensure we use cranes within their capacity. Another issue could be misaligned slants or beams, which is why we'll use certified equipment and conduct thorough check before starting any lift. Next, during transportation, vibration or stress on the cargo could cause damage. To address this, we'll secure the load properly and use vibration dampeners. There's also the risk of equipment malfunction, such as issue with the hydraulic modular trailers. For this, regular maintenance and inspection are crucial to keep everything running smoothly. When it comes to offloading, the biggest concern is ground instability. Imagine placing heavy cargo on unstable soil. It's dangerous. That's why we'll conduct soil testing beforehand to ensure stability. Equipment failure is another concern, so we'll inspect and maintain all tools regularly. Now let's look at operational hazard. For example, falls can occur if workers aren't careful. To prevent this, we'll provide proper fall protection and enforce safe work practice. There's also risk of trail creep or truck drive away, which is when the trailer moves unexpectedly. To avoid this, we'll use wheel chocks and dogs lock to keep everything secure. Poor visibility is another issue, so we'll ensure proper lighting and keep the workspace clutter-free. Finally, our mitigation measure tie everything together. We inspect all equipment before starting work and assign trained personnel to oversee operation. During transport, escort vehicle will manage traffic and lashing will at BHS regularly. Safety barriers and signage will be installed and will maintain a clean and organized workspace to avoid accidents. Then I will talk about the draft assessment. Our method statement provides a clear step-by-step process to ensure the safe handling, transportation, and offloading of the LPG vessel. This plan is guided by industry best practice, including insight from Barry Turnoff case study on heavy lift cargo. First is lifting. We'll use certified lifting equipment like heavy-duty cranes, spreader beams, and slings to safely lift the LPG vessel. All equipment will meet international safety standard and undergo regular maintenance. Environmental conditions like wind speed, visibility, and weather will be closely monitored. We'll also establish threshold limit to determine when to pause or proceed, ensuring safety at all times. Number 2 is towing. To securely stow the vessel, we'll identify deck areas with sufficient load-bearing capacity and prepare them in advance. Load distribution techniques will be used to prevent shifting during transit. We also verify the center of gravity alignment using tools like laser alignment or computerized models. This ensures stability and proper weight distribution throughout the journey. Securing. High friction materials such as mats or coating will be applied to reduce the risk of slippage. The cargo will be secured using sea fastening techniques like welding and flashing following IMO, which is International Maritime Organization guidelines. Steel cables, chains, and turnbuckles will be used for added firmness. We'll calculate potential motion and acceleration force to predict and mitigate risks such as cargo shifting or damage during transport. Number 4 is transporting. A detailed route plan will identify potential obstacles like low bridge, sharp turns, and rough seas. We also optimize schedules to avoid high traffic periods and adverse weather conditions. Speed limits will be defined to reduce stress on the cargo and maintain stability. Additionally, we'll design safe harbor along the maritime route as contingency stop in case of emergency. That's all from me. Thank you.